Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 10.1 of mensuration. Question number 2. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 cm by 10 cm is sealed all around with tape. What is the length of the tape required? Here box is in shape of rectangular box, means rectangle, and here given sides 40 centimeter is length of the rectangular box and 10 centimeter is the breadth of the rectangular box. We find to length of tape required. Okay, so in this question we find the perimeter of rectangular box. Okay, so this box is shape of rectangular, so we find the perimeter of rectangles. We know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so here length is given 40 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. We put the value of length and the breadth in formula of perimeter. Okay, is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and we find its perimeters, and this is also equal the length of tape required. Okay, now we are going to solve. Let's see how to solve it. Here given length of rectangular box. Box is equal to 40 centimeter. Clear? Length of rectangular box is equal to 40 centimeters and breadth of a rectangular box is equal to 10 centimeter. This is given. Okay, we find the length of the tape required. Okay, so for this we find length of the tape required is equal to perimeter of rectangular box. Clear? So we write here length of the tape required. Is equal to perimeter of box. Okay, clear? So you can see here such type are box. Okay, this is the length 10 centimeter, this is a breadth. On its boundary we seal tape. ओके, इसी बाउंड्री पे आपको क्या चिपकाना है, शिल्ड करना है, टेप शिल्ड करना है आपको. तो जितना टेप लगेगा यहाँ पे, द लेंथ ऑफ टेप इज perimeter of rectangular box. Clear? So because the box is in the shape of rectangular, so use formula 2 into length. For length we write L and for breadth we write B. Okay, clear? So here 2 into length is given 40 centimeter and breadth is also given 10 centimeter. Clear? So first we add this 40 plus 10, 50 centimeter. Okay, so 2 into 50 is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? This is our length of tape required, 100 centimeter. Okay, so in this question, the lids of the rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter, means length is 40 centimeters and the breadth is 10 centimeter, is sealed all around with a tape. Okay, what is the length of the tape required? So we find tape required, length of tape. First you find the perimeter of rectangular box. Okay, because आप इसी के बाउंड्री पे ही टेप को शील्ड करना है आपको. So the perimeter of rectangular box and perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here you write, and 2 L is 40 centimeter given and 10 is 10 centimeter given. Breadth is 10 centimeter given. Okay, so 40 plus 10, 50 centimeter into 2, so 50 to the 100 centimeter. This is our length of the tape. Okay, 100 centimeter. Clear? Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3. A tabletop measure 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of tabletop? So you can see this measurement. It means that this table top is in rectangle shape. In rectangular shape, whose length is 2 meter 25 centimeter and the breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. So perimeter of this tabletop is equal to, which is formula 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. We write in shortcut, length is equal to L and the breadth is equal to B. Okay. Here first you write length of table top. Length of table top is equal to, length of table top is equal to 2 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, you can change it in meter, so you obtain here 2.25 meter. Okay, because we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? Now we find breadth of tabletop. Breadth of tabletop is equal to, this is given 1 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, so also you can change it 1.50 meter, because you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? Now perimeter of tabletop. Okay, perimeter of tabletop. Top is equal to 2 into length, this is length L and this is breadth. Okay, so here we know length and the breadth. This is given 2 into 2.25 meter is length plus 1.50 meter is breadth. Okay, now first we sum it. So 2 into 3 is upon here 3.75 meter. Okay, or you can write like this: 2 into 3.75 meter, and when you multiply it by 2, so 5 2 ja 10, carry 1, 7 2 ja 14, plus 1 carry 15, and 3 2 ja 6, plus 1 7, 7.5 meter. Okay, you can also write it 7.5 meter. Okay, so in this way we find the perimeter of tabletop is equal to 7.5. Clear? In this question, length of tabletop is given 2 meter 25 centimeter, or we can write it, we change it in meter, so we obtain 2.25 meters. Clear? And the breadth of the tabletop is given 1 meter 50 centimeters, so we change it in meter, so we obtain 1.50 meters. Student, you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, clear? And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Okay, so I hope all of you convert it, the given centimeter in meter. And here we find the perimeter of tabletop. So we use formula. The perimeter of this tabletop is the shape of rectangle, or you can say rectangular. So we use the perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Okay, so L length is given 2.25 meters and the breadth is 1.50 meters. So we put the value of L length and the breadth. So we obtain here 2 into 2.25 meters plus 1.50 meters. Okay, and after this we sum it, length plus breadth, we obtain 3.75 meters. Okay, and then we multiply it by 2 into 3.75 meter, we obtained 7.50 meters, or you can write it 7.5 meters. Okay, M is the symbol of meters. Okay, don't be confused. L is the symbol of length, B is the symbol of breadth. Okay, so we I not write everywhere meter, M E T R E. Okay, or length, breadth. We usually L for length, B for breadth, and M for meters. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to solve next question, question number 4. This is a question number 4. What is the length of wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeters and 21 centimeters? Here 32 centimeters is length and breadth is 21 centimeters. Okay, so we find the length of wooden strip. Okay, so we find the perimeter of photograph. Let's see how to solve it. So you can see this is a photograph. Okay, we need to cover this photograph around by wooden strips. Okay, here given the length is 32 centimeter and the breadth is 21 centimeter. You can see this is a rectangle shape. Okay, so we need to wooden strip this length 1 times and this 2 times this length. Okay, and 2 times this. Okay, so this is a rectangle shape. So we find its perimeter. Okay, so we write the length of wooden strip required, required length of wooden strip. Length of wooden strip is equal to perimeter of photographs. Okay. Perimeter of photograph frame. Okay. So length of wooden strip is equal to perimeter of photographs. Okay. So this photograph is in shape of rectangle. So use the formula perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Clear? So here 2 into length is given 32 centimeter. You can see in this figure 32 centimeter, and breadth is also given 21 centimeter. Okay. So 2 into 32 centimeter plus 21 centimeter. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. It's become 53 centimeter. Clear? Now we multiply 53 multiplied by 2. We obtained here 106 centimeter. Clear? This is the length of wooden strip to frame the photograph. Clear? You can see here question number 4. What is the length of wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? Okay, so you can see this is a picture of photograph. Here length is 32 centimeter and breadth is 21 centimeters. Okay, so we find the length of wooden strip. Length of wooden strip. So it depend length of wooden strip is depend on the perimeter of photographs. Okay. So the photographs is in rectangle shape. So we use perimeter of rectangles. So formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, means L length plus B breadth. 2 into length plus breadth, and here given length is 32 centimeters and breadth is 21 centimeter. So first we sum length plus length and breadth, we obtain 53 centimeters. So and 2 into 53 centimeters, it's become 106 centimeters. Clear? This is a length of wooden strips. At last we can write, or we can say that hence the required length of wooden strip is equal to 106. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to solve question number 5 of this exercise 10.1. You can see this is a question number 5. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometers by 0.5 kilometer. Each side to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. What is the length of the wire needed? Here length of land is given 0.7 kilometer and the length of and the breadth of land is 0.5 kilometer given. Okay, we fence the land by row by wire and by 4 row. Okay, so first we find here perimeter of a rectangular piece of land, and after this we multiply it by 4, then we obtained the length of wire. Okay, now let's see how to find it. let's see, this is a rectangular piece of land whose length is 0.7 kilometer and the breadth is 0.5 kilometers. We need to protect this land, so we fence it by wire. How many times? 4 row. We protect it by 4 like this. Okay, I hope all of you see such type arrangement. Clear? Okay, so such types we fence by wire. Okay, so first we find in this question perimeter of rectangular piece of land. Okay, so you find perimeter of a rectangular piece of land. Is equal to, all of you know what is the perimeter of rectangular shape or rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. Clear? But here given length is 0.7 kilometer plus breadth is given 0.5 kilometer. Okay, so here 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5 is equal to 1.2 kilometer. Clear? Now multiply it. 2 into 1.2 is equal to 2.4 kilometer. Clear? This is a perimeter of rectangular piece of land is 2.4 kilometers. Now we fence it by wire in 4 row. So if we multiply in this perimeter by 4, we obtained the length of wire needed. The length of wire is equal to 4 into perimeter of land, means perimeter of rectangular piece of land. Okay, so here we find perimeter of land is 2.4 kilometer. Clear? So 2.4 into 4, it's become 96. 24 4 is 96, means 9.6 kilometers. Okay, so in this way you can see here in this question a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometers by 0.5 kilometers, each side to be fenced with 4 row of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? So here you can see, this is figure. This is a piece of land, rectangular piece of land, whose length is 0.7 kilometer and the breadth is 0.5 kilometer. So first we find the perimeter of rectangular piece of land. Use formula 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is given 0.7 kilometer and breadth is 0.5 kilometers. Okay, so we put the value of L into B in this formula. We obtain perimeter of rectangular piece of land is 2.4 kilometers. Okay, now we need to find the length of wire. Okay, so length of wire, the wire is 4 row to fence the land, so we multiply by 4 in perimeter of rectangular piece of land. So here you can see the length of wire is equal to 4 into perimeter of piece of land. So 4 into 2.4 kilometer. In this way we obtain 9.6 kilometers. This is the length of wire. The length of wire is 9.6 kilometers. Now we are going to solve question number 6. This is a question number 6. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. Okay. A triangle of side 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. And equilateral triangles of side 9 cm. Student, you know that all sides of equilateral is equal in measure. Okay. And next C is an isosceles triangles with equal side is 8 cm each, and the third side is 6 centimeters. Okay, so let's see. First we solve first part at triangles. Suppose this is a triangles. This is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Clear? So perimeter of this triangle is sum of length of its side. Okay. So here you can see the perimeter of triangles is equal to sum of length of sides. So your sides is given 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Okay. So 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeters. The side of the triangles, the measure of the side of the triangle are given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Okay. So sum it. This is equal to 12 centimeter. 3, 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 centimeter. Clear? Now, part B. Part B is an equilateral triangles of side 9 centimeter. See, so in equilateral triangles, 3 sides are equal. So we find its perimeter 9 plus 9 plus 9 are 3 into length of side. Okay, it's become 27. Let's see. So here perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of side. You can see this is equilateral triangle. Each side are equal. So each side are 9 centimeter. In equilateral triangle, each side are equal. So here you can see each side are 9 centimeter. So you find its perimeter by sum 9 plus 9 plus 9, or you can write 3 into length of side. Okay. So here 3 into length of side is 9 centimeter. Clear? So you can write 3 9 are 27 centimeter. Clear? Now the next question is this is B part. Now C part is isosceles triangle. Suppose this is isosceles triangle. Okay, this side are equal to this. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equals. Okay, here given the equal sides are 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter, and third side is 6 centimeter. This is a third side, 6 centimeter. So perimeter of this triangle, isosceles triangle, perimeter of this isosceles triangle is sum of side Okay, side is here 6 centimeter, plus equal size 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Clear? So this is equal to 6 plus 8 14 plus 8 22 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we find the perimeter of isosceles triangle is 22 centimeters. Each equal side is 8 centimeter and third side is 6 centimeter given. Okay, I hope all of you understood how to find perimeter of any triangles, isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles, and simply you can say triangles. Sum of all side are 3 into length of side. Okay, you can use any formula. In these triangles we find perimeter of triangle, sum of length of sides. Okay, but this is a equilateral special triangles, equilateral triangles, so we use formula 3 into length of side. But this is isosceles triangle, here we use formula perimeter of isosceles triangle is sum of length of sides. Okay, thank you for watching.